This is the setup of the APF-D processor with a Rev4 SB7. When you first get it, you turn on the APF-D. The lights will blink 2 times, indicating it's done a self-diagnostic check. It's ready to go at that point. The next thing you do is take this is the transmitter, TX. It stays on that switch position. This goes to the SP out on your SB7. It is labeled, it says to SP out. SP out is this audio output right here, goes there. First thing you do, plug that in there. Hold this button for 3 seconds, transmit button, then hold the receive button, 3 seconds.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
It'll pair in a few seconds.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Okay, apologize for the poor English language with that, but that's what it is with the Bluetooth. Okay, so now you have it connected. The next thing you do is turn on your SB7. Turn the volume of the SB7 to 28. Start your sweep. You're going to get the sweep sound through the APF-D. The next thing, to eliminate the noise, press switch 1 and switch 3 and bring the noise filter down to about 23.5. You can see it right there. Now, if you want a little more noise, you would go to 24. I'm just leaving it there for now just to show that the noise has been eliminated. To increase the volume of this box, switch 1 and switch 4, and you see over here, the volume goes up. Now, to allow higher frequencies to come through, you can do that. Simply tap S4, all the instructions are here, and you let the higher frequencies pass through. You can see that number changing. I'll keep it anywhere from 60 to 100 because I like the noise to sound a little bit higher, not so muffled. This is your speed control. Speed control basically can slow your recording down. And number 2, rewinds. So let's see if we can just get a noise. Okay, there's a noise there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit S2. Let's say that was a response. I'll press S2 and you'll see it repeat again. Right there. Okay. Now if I wanted to slow that down, I could hit the reverse and slow it down. 75% means I've slowed it down 25%. That will help you decipher the responses more easily. To reset the device, both buttons at the same time. The first thing you should do as soon as you turn it on though, go in and remove the noise, because if you don't, what happens is if you start pausing and rewinding, it accumulates in the buffer on the SD card inside the device. It could take up to 20-30 seconds for it to catch up. So I like to reset and adjust accordingly for the noise filter. Now, if you're going through and you had a bunch of rewinds and you slowed it down and did all kinds of things, and then you say, okay, I want to make it so there's even less noise, well, then you'd have to wait a long time. So if you start making a bunch of changes or you want to make changes, the easiest thing to do is reboot the processor, make your changes, but always remember that changing your noise filter comes first. Okay. To shut it down, turn that off. Power button's here. Hold this button on your transmit for 3 seconds and the receive for 3 seconds, and they will go off. And that's it. Very easy to do. This is your recharge cable. There's 4 recharge ports, mini ports for USB. This is a rechargeable battery on the back. And you make sure that these are always used, the Bluetooth is always used, and make sure they're charged as well. So you can charge 4 things at once with this.